Om Sai Ram. Now the time is 10:19 a.m. on 2nd April 2022. This is the Google map from Hyderabad to Pandharpur. We are starting for Pandharpur from our home in Safilguda, Secunderabad, in our Mahindra Xylo car. From Safilguda to Malkajgiri, then to Metuguda metro station. Now we are taking a U-turn towards Secunderabad. This is the first flyover in Secunderabad towards Paradise. This is the Greenlands flyover passing through Begumpet metro towards Amirpet. And this is the Panchaguda flyover. Shortly we will be taking the outer ring road and getting down at patancheru. This is the outer ring road. And from the outer ring road we have taken the exit at Patancheru junction, and now this is NH65 highway which goes towards Nagpur, Mumbai and so on. Almost all the roads are toll roads, therefore roads are well maintained and good. We are approaching Kamkole toll gate. This is our first toll gate to Pandharpur at 12:22 p.m. Solapur is 185 kilometers. This is the second toll gate, Mangalagiri toll gate. We have reached at 1:23 p.m. Towards the right, we can find the Basveshwara temple in Basav Kalyan. We are in the Karnataka state now. This is the third toll gate, Talmot toll gate. We have reached here at 2:09 p.m. We have taken lunch break at Karali. There is a small dhaba and a tea stall here, but we had brought some food with us from home, so we are having that right now. Place is quite good. It has got wash area also. After having a food, We are now heading towards Pandharpur. Solapur is 94 kilometers. Now we are entering Naldur Fort area at Naldur. It's a very beautiful fort, big enough, and tourists often come here. But since it's on the route, we couldn't drop in here. There is also a small dam where they also have boating facilities and all. So one who comes to Naldur area can also visit these places. This is the fourth toll plaza, Fulwadi toll plaza. We have reached here at 4:10 p.m. Now we have reached Solapur. And from here we are taking right. This road goes towards Pandharpur, roughly around 72 kilometers from here. There is one more fifth toll plaza by the name Savaleshwar Toll Plaza, which we couldn't make the video, but it is there from Solapur to Pandharpur route. Since many of these roads are being reconstructed, therefore some patches are not that good. Otherwise, all the other roads are really good. Now we are entering the bridge which crosses the Chandrabhaga river. And on the left, now we can find the river, and also this is the ISKCON temple on the left side of the bank. Finally, we have reached Pandharpur. We have booked our hotel at Hotel Pandharinath, which is very near to the Shivaji Chowk, which is a famous chowk near the temple. And now we would be heading towards the Pandharinath hotel. I had booked this hotel because it was very near to the temple, hardly 500 meters. It has also got car parking. It can park up to 4 to 5 cars inside the hotel, and it also has a pure veg restaurant downstairs. Rooms are quite good, reasonably priced, and that's my car. It's already parked inside. Thanks for watching this video. Om Sai Ram. Bolo Pandharinath Maharaj ki Jai.